follow the story of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him?
Tell me more.
Because I heard something the other day, and it's absolutely amazing. Prayers, 5 daily prayers, takes 40 minutes of your day, really max, right?
Yes.
40 minutes. Allah only asked you for 40 minutes, and He gave you the other 23 hours and 20 minutes. He only asked for 2.5% of your wealth, and the rest is yours to spend. Why are we compromising our entire life on that? Islam was made easy. It wasn't made hard. It wasn't made challenging, right? When you ask for forgiveness and genuinely ask for forgiveness, not only are you forgiven, but you are given good deeds in exchange.
SubhanAllah.
If you are on your 5 daily prayers, you're staying away from major sins. You're keeping Allah front of mind. You're giving your zakah. You're doing everything that's obligatory. Spend the rest of your time becoming the best version of yourself, becoming financially successful, building great relationships. Do all of that,